Dr. Sean here, and I'm joined with one of my patients who performed his hair restoration about a year ago, and we did about 1,800 grafts on the crown area. Now, I would like you to notice how natural it looks, and that's because I follow the calic. So the calic is right over here, and I follow the calic very carefully, and I just put the hair in a spiral direction. So, and all of these are restored, are transplanted hair, and it looks amazing. It looks great. It frames the back of the scalp beautifully. You could still see the calic. Obviously, at the point of the calic, right, you're still gonna have that see-through, but that's what makes it so natural and so beautiful. I love it. It's thick. Congratulations. Perfect.